In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. Once you've done that, you should see country. Click country and look for Grenada. Click the search and type it in. Under Grenada, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for debit card. So then it should show up. We found one Bitcoin exchange in Grenada that accepts debit card. The companies that accepts debit card in Grenada is CoinMama. CoinMama allows customers in almost every country to buy Bitcoin with a credit card or debit card. They charge a 6% fee on each purchase. Customers in Europe can also purchase Bitcoins with CEPA transfer for a lower fee. Want to buy using CoinMama? Click the link and that will show you the step by step and will guide you to show you how to use CoinMama. So now I'll be reading the pros and cons. It works in almost all countries. Highest limits for buying Bitcoin with a credit card. Reliable and trusted broker. So now I'll be reading the cons. Some of the highest fees among credit, debit card, and Bitcoin brokers. So I'm going to end the video right here. For more information, go to the weirdest coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next videos.